In this video, I'm going to show you how to clip in ArcGIS. Now, of course, you can do this on any map. I just have one over here, which is kind of the preset I got from ArcGIS online, and I'm going to show you with this example. But again, you can do it whatever you want for whatever you want. So I'm going to go up top. I'm going to click on Analysis first, and then you want to go to Tools, and you want to go to Find Tools up top, and you want to type in Clip. Then here you can see Clip, the first one. You want to click on it, and it's going to give you Clip under Geoprocessing. Now over here you can see you can input features or data set. So I'm just going to click on this drop down. I have buildings and parks. First I'm going to do it for buildings over here, so I'm going to click on buildings, and then over here I can do the clip feature and I can do buildings, parks, whatever. Again, I'm going to do buildings, and then here you can do, of course, whatever you want to call this. You can name it whatever you want, and then click on the run button down in the bottom right. Now when you do this, as you can see, it's going to give you a separate buildings clip over here on the right, and as you can see, this is going to clip out the buildings. So here, if I go ahead and, for example, hide all of these things, I can just keep the buildings. So as you can see right now, I have buildings inside this buildings clip 1 over here, and I can do whatever I want with them because they've been clipped, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. That's the easiest way to achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.